another Tesla. Everyone in California is driving Teslas. Anyways, hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to a great day. Here we are back in the C8R. It's been a while since you've seen this car on the channel, but still having a ton of fun with it. It's been pouring down rain for like 2 weeks straight, unfortunately. So it definitely feels good being back out with it and having clear skies. We even got the McLaren 720S test car from McLaren during that window, that period of rain just being poured down. That was a Spider, a McLaren Spider. You need clear open skies for that, right? But now, since it's clear outside, the top is down in the C8 Corvette, which is still pretty cool to this day. The only Targa top car I've ever owned, and I definitely really do like it. But today in this video, I do want to talk about something that is very, very exciting because, well, if you haven't heard much in the news or even like talk on the forums about the new Z06, well, everyone wants to know the price, the pricing for all the packages on the new Corvette Z06. So in this video, I think that we might have an answer as to when the pricing will come out. I do want to say one thing. If you're wondering why we're filming right now towards sunset, and this post is coming out later today, it's been a crazy day. If you've been following me at all on Instagram, my dog Rambo has been going through a lot, through cancer and so forth, but he had surgery recently, and today I've been down south at the vet, and finally I heard back that from their latest testing, he no longer has cancer. They removed it all, his skin cancer. And now he's doing great. No more cone on his head, nothing like that. So it's just been a great day, and that is why this post is being delayed today towards the night. I did want to talk about this subject because it is a really important topic. Let me go ahead and pull off to the left so we can talk about this latest thing going on in the news. And here we are next to the Audi dealership. I haven't seen any R8s as of lately. Really, really cool car. I'm a major fan of the R8. And in front of us this way is a Mercedes-Benz dealership, and they sold a AMG GT Black Series for $300,000 over stickers. Someone actually walked in and paid over $250,000 over sticker to buy that new Black Series, which you can buy an AMG GT for what, like $70,000? So you have on one end of the spectrum a $600,000 to $700,000 car with a markup, and then you have on the other end essentially $80,000 car. If you followed the C8 along on its crazy journey, you'd know back in 2020, actually I think it was late 2019, they did a dealership tour and they brought out the car to different dealership locations throughout the country. It really kick-started fast because right after the reveal over in Tustin, California, I personally saw the C8 Corvette at a Chevrolet dealership. I think it was Bob Stahl Chevrolet, and I actually ended up buying my Corvette through them. Great people over there. They're doing MSRP, so that's fantastic. I think we were like the first people to film the dealership tour of the C8 Corvette, and that video alone got, I think, over 1 million views, which is crazy, absolutely crazy. But it was a success. The dealership tour for the C8 Corvette, if you actually stop by to one of the locations where they're having it, people were just showing up in the masses. There were crowds inside these dealerships wanting to see the all-new mid-engine Corvette. Even though the dealerships have to put money, out of their pocket to pay for this entire function, it was worth it, I believe. At least, even if dealerships have a huge wait list, at least they are serving their customers and maybe even bringing in new customers potentially in the process. The good thing is that it looks like Chevrolet saw how successful the dealership tours were for the mid-engine Corvette when it was being launched, and now they're doing it again, at least confirmed by a Corvette blogger and a few of the people online. They stated how Chevrolet has officially made it clear they're doing a Z06 dealer tour, and I cannot wait to see that car finally land on dealership showrooms, right? Maybe not for sale, but just to see it. And if we know anything from the previous dealership tour of the C8 Corvette, they went all out. You'd see on the walls all the custom paint colors with like little Corvette silhouettes of what they look like, plus different steering wheel options. If they could do that with the Z06 and show all the various options on the walls and even carbon fiber wheels or the standard wheels, showing how much each one weighs in comparison. That would be great. That would be a major success. Anyways, getting to the point of this video, if you haven't already heard about the dealer tours, now you know. But I think we can make a pretty good estimate as to when the C8 Z06 pricing will be revealed. Now, if we actually analyze what this tour is all about, it's all about bringing customers in to look over all the options potentially of ordering the vehicle. And having all this money invested in bringing the Z06 to different dealerships across the country, even dealerships investing their own money out of pocket to help facilitate this, would it make sense for the C8 Z06 to be sitting at a dealership with no pricing at all, but bringing all these people in to see it, having all these different options on the wall, but no pricing at all? It just wouldn't add up. If we look at the dates announced so far for the dealer tour, they're saying they're going to begin in February. From what I read online, one dealership is already making it clear they're getting the car at their dealer during the first week of April. Nonetheless, if this tour does start in February, it just doesn't add up. There has to at least be a starting price announced. So I am probably like 99 to 100% sure we're gonna hear at least the MSRP. Oh my gosh, there's the actual C8 Corvette billboard in front of us. It says, win a Corvette in up to $100,000 cash from a casino. What are the odds of that? Driving the Corvette, seeing Corvette billboards everywhere. I truthfully think, though, within this month of January or next month, we are going to be hearing the price figures of the new Z06. Here's one interesting thing to analyze. Chevrolet is really good at trying to keep their car in the news, right, in the media, because if you look at the month prior to the C8 Z06 official reveal at the Peterson Museum, they showed us a complete image of what a base model looks like to try to hold us over, but also excite us, to get us ready and pumped up. Now the reveal happened, right? We didn't hear the official quarter-mile numbers, and then a month later, during the LA Auto Show and so forth, we heard the quarter-mile numbers. They're really good at spacing everything out, and it really helps their car always maintain, status in the news. I think that this month we're going to hear something new. Next month, probably again. And even after that, I'm really looking forward to seeing the first drives, the media first drives, and hopefully we get the chance to join and experience the car wherever they have them, because I know when we went to the GT500 first drive, they had that car at the track at Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and that was really cool, really cool. We got to interview Jim Owens, terrific guy from Ford. He's head of marketing. If they have this new car at the track for the media launch, that would be perfect, because that's what this car is all about, the performance side of things, not driving it on the highway and analyzing how smooth the ride is. So I know many of you probably want that. Please let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think? Should Chevrolet launch this car at a location that has like a track and a drag strip like Sonoma? Because looking back at that GT500 launch again, Las Vegas Motor Speedway didn't just have a road course section, they also had a quarter-mile drag strip section. So what they did was that when we went out to the first drive, they put us in like a little bus and they drove us to the drag racing section to test out the quarter-mile with their drag spec vehicles, and then we went across the street essentially to their road course area to experience the track pack models. What do you guys think? Please comment down below. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button to help me out. Also subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. I'll see all of you in the next episode.